In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator for Bybit 2FA. Two-factor authentication adds a crucial second layer of protection to your account by requiring a time-based code from your phone, not just a password, which greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Start by signing in on the official Bybit website. Confirm the URL and that you're on a secure connection before entering your credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon to open the user menu. Select Account, then open the Security section. This is where you manage login safety, withdrawals protection, and Authenticator settings. Locate the Google two-factor authentication area and click Settings to begin. Bybit will verify it's really you by sending a one-time code to the email address or phone number you registered. Head to your inbox or messages right away, copy that code, and enter it on the site. These codes expire quickly and you should never share them with anyone. Next, Bybit displays a QR code. On your phone, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus symbol to add a new account, then choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen, and the app will create a Bybit entry that generates 6-digit codes. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it so the scan can complete. Treat the QR code like a secret, avoid screenshots or sharing it. Return to the Bybit setup page, look at the 6-digit code currently shown for Bybit inside Google Authenticator, and type that code into the field on the website to confirm. The code refreshes roughly every 30 seconds, so enter it before it rotates. If it changes while you're typing, just use the next one. If a code is rejected, wait for the next cycle and try again. It also helps to ensure your phone's date and time are set to automatic so the codes stay in sync. After you submit the code, Bybit will confirm Google Authenticator is successfully linked. From now on, you'll use these time-based codes to secure sensitive actions such as signing in or making withdrawals. Keep the Authenticator app accessible and protected behind your phone's screen lock. If Bybit provides recovery instructions or backup options during setup, store them securely so you can regain access if you replace or lose your device. And that's it. You've strengthened your Bybit security with Google Authenticator and enabled 2FA the right way.